wish you could watch that hilarious cat video while simultaneously planning a weekend hangout with your friends. Well, today I'm going to show you how to become a multitasking master by using YouTube and WhatsApp at the same time, boosting your entertainment and productivity. First, we need to activate split screen or picture-in-picture mode on most Android phones. Go to your Settings app, then search for Advanced Features or Multi-Window. The name may vary slightly depending on your phone's brand, but the idea is the same. Next, open the YouTube app and start playing the video you want to watch. Now, swipe up from the bottom of your screen to open your recent apps or multitasking view. You should see a preview of the YouTube video. Look for the YouTube app icon in the Preview tab and hold on that icon. Or tap the three dots or menu button associated with it. A menu should pop up. Select either split screen or picture-in-picture, depending on what your phone offers. If you chose split screen, YouTube will now occupy half of your screen. Open WhatsApp in the other half. If you chose picture-in-picture, the YouTube video will shrink into a floating window. Position it wherever you like on your screen. You can usually resize the picture-in-picture window by pinching to zoom and move it around to avoid blocking anything important. And that's it. Now you can keep up with your conversations on WhatsApp while enjoying your favorite YouTube videos. That's it for today's multitasking trick. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mobile tips.